Good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hope I'm audible.
Thanks, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Superb. Very good. All right. Good job. So, what we discussed yesterday? Let's continue today. What we discussed yesterday? Just a quick recap. So, we first understood the
About
syllabus.
architecture, sir.
Yeah. First, we understood what and all things we will discuss in entire core Java syllabus. We understood syllabus. We got it, and then we understood about you know uh, full stack development means what. For instance, what is the meaning of client server architecture? What is full stack development? What is standalone system? What is desktop based software? All these things we got it. So fine. So today we will try to understand. Let us first tell me, sir, what is a software? Yes, guys, what is a software? We all people use the software in mobiles, in your laptops, in our desktops, in our day-to-day life, in real time. We are using lot of softwares nowadays. Fine, sir? Now tell me, what is a software, sir? Typical definition. All of us know that software is nothing but set of programs. Software is nothing but what's a set of what's a programs written by whom? Written by developers, obviously the programmer, correct? No, written by the programmer to do some job or some task. This is what is a software, correct or not, sir? It is a set of programs written by the programmer to do some task, to do some job, correct? Right? Fine. Now my simple question to all of you is, what is the use of a software? Sir, if I don't have a software, can't I survive? Is it very much essential in our day-to-day life? How software is driving our day-to-day lifestyle? What is the use of a software? If I'm using some software, there must be some use of it, correct? No, there must be some meaning for using the software, correct? No, can somebody tell me, sir, why software, or why people started developing softwares, or what is the use of a software? Anybody? Because in 1950s, I'm talking about 50s, 60s and all, sir. When you go back and check 1950s, 1960s and all, we didn't had many, people don't even know what a software is. People are not at all aware of any software only, so fine. Software industries emerged from 1990s, so from 90s onwards it has taken very exponential growth. But before that, in 70s, 80s, software was there, but not that great extent. But from 90s onwards, the entire industry, software industry, emerged like anything. Fine, sir. Now, can you guys tell me, sir, what is the benefit of a software? What is the use of a software, sir? Calculator, we all know that it is a software. Sir, I can perform an operation without a calculator also, right? Then what is the use of calculator? 2 plus 2, 4. Same thing I will get even in the calculator also. What is the use of a calculator, sir? Anyone? What is the use of a calculator? Because I'm getting without using calculator.
Sir,
Somebody said something.
make our task easier for us, sir.
To make the task easier for us. Okay, good. Next,
Ask.
next. Faster. Okay, good. Very simple. So, first and foremost reason why people started thinking software is because of two reasons. Because of two reasons. So, first reason is time. First reason is what, sir? Time. Because nobody has time nowadays. So, nobody has time nowadays. Everybody want the things to be done faster. Time management or effective time. Let me write like this. Effective time. Fine, sir. Now, if I give you some complex operations, suppose if I give you some operations like this into this divided by this, again into this, again divided by this, then plus this. Now, if I ask you, can you please tell me what is the answer? Then obviously it will take time. It will take time for the human being to do this operation. Correct or not, sir? But when you give the same equation or the same data to a computer system or a calculator, it will give you the answer within a fraction of seconds. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give you the answer. calculator. It is a software. It is helping me to do the job very easily and very fast. Correct or not, sir? First thing. Second thing, second example. Anybody has drawn the money without ATM. ATM is one software, right? ATM is one software, right? Yes. Even today, there are so many places, so many villages, so many small cities in in entire India where there is no ATMs only. So fine. Now just imagine the Bangalore city without ATM. Just imagine your capital of your respective state without ATM. How the people will stand in front of the bank, kilometers together line will be there just to withdraw 1,000 or maybe just to withdraw 10,000 or maybe 20,000. ATM software helping all of us to withdraw the money wherever you want in a easier way. Correct or not? ATM is what, sir? Software. Book My Show, it is a software, sir. All of us book the movie tickets by sitting wherever you are. Correct or not? If you remember our childhood, your parents used to take you to the cinema hall. They used to stand up in the line. Then they used to get a ticket. I'm talking about your childhood. Correct or not? That time you didn't had Book My Show. In ATM has come into the picture from 1980s, early 90s. The ATM started, sir. Prior to that, there was no ATM. Even today, in many villages in India, there is no ATM. People will stand in front of the bank even today to withdraw money, to deposit money. Correct or not, sir? Now, how much time people will waste? Half day time will be gone. 2-3 hours time will be gone just to do one small job. So the main reason why people started developing or maybe people started thinking about software is what, sir? Effective time management. Nobody wants to waste the time. Everybody wants to use their time as their best. Correct or not, sir? First thing. Second reason why people started developing software is accuracy. What is the second reason, sir? Accuracy. Sir, when a software performs the job and when a human being performs the job, obviously software job will be more accurate than human being job. Yes or no, sir? Correct, no? Software job is more accurate than human being job. Example. Simple example I'll give you, sir. If I ask you 22/7 pi value, all of us know, right? 22/7, if I ask you, everybody will tell 3.14. Correct, no? After 3.14, what you will get? After 14, what? What next? Do you know? Nobody knows that, sir. Nobody even do that. Correct? Human being brain will stop maximum 3 digits after the decimal. Oh no, sir, I am very good in mathematics. Maybe one more digit. 3 digits after the decimal. But when you give the same thing to a calculator, it will give you after the decimal at least these numbers. At least 6-7 digits after the decimal my calculator will give me. Now tell me, your result is more accurate or this is more accurate? Which is more accurate, sir? Obviously, calculator result is more accurate than human being result. Software result is more accurate than human being result. This is the reason, or these are the two reasons why people started thinking about software in 1960s. I'm talking about the story of 1960s. So fine. These are the main two reasons. First reason, people wants to use the time effectively, and the second reason, to get the more accurate result when we perform some job. That is the reason we depend on what's a softwares. Now, if you want to develop the software, then obviously you need software development languages. Correct, no? I want to develop a software, sir. Then obviously you need what? Software development languages. Then in the year 1960s and all, old, early 70s or maybe 1960s, I'll write it here. In 1960s, people started using the software languages like we had COBOL. Heard about this? We had Fortran. Then we had something like Pascal. Heard about these programming languages, sir? Older programming languages. Nowadays, nobody uses it. Nowadays, many people don't even know this. Correct, sir? Old languages, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal. Early 90s, these languages were introduced. Sir, they are the programming languages, remember. But, sir, why these programming languages got disappeared in the market? Why these programming languages got disappeared in the market? There should be some problem, right? There should be some drawbacks of these programming languages, right? That is the reason nowadays nobody uses it. So, correct? Why, sir? What is the problem? Let me discuss some of the drawbacks. some of the problems. Problems of what, sir? These programming languages. Sir, what problems were there, sir? First problem of these programming languages, they are not general purpose. They are not general purpose language. So now the question, what is the meaning of general purpose? General purpose language means they cannot be used for all the domain. They cannot be used for every domain. So again, domain means what? Domain means healthcare. Domain means automobile. Domain means supply chain. Banking is a domain. Insurance is a domain. Manufacturing is a domain. Sectors are, we call it no sector, domains. Fine. So these languages, whatever I have mentioned here, they are not applicable for every domain. For example, COBOL. You know what is the meaning of COBOL? Common Business Oriented Language. What is COBOL, sir? Common Business Oriented Language. It is a language developed by IBM. Even today, some of the companies uses COBOL language, but only for one domain. Which domain, sir? Mainframes. There is a domain in the industry called mainframes. IBM uses it, Sintel uses it, Legato uses it. There are some companies who works in the mainframe domain. Best suitable language, more effective, most effective language for COBOL domain is, mainframe domain is your COBOL. Sir, apart from using mainframe domains, can I use COBOL in automobile? No, you cannot. Sir, can I use COBOL in insurance? It is not suitable. Can I use COBOL in embedded? It is not suitable. Can I use COBOL in retail, in supply chain, in manufacturing, insurance, banking? No, it is not suitable, sir, because COBOL is a language which is designed only for mainframe domains. Such languages we called as domain-specific language. Such languages we called as what, sir? Domain-specific language. And these domain-specific language is bad because there are so many domains are there. Your language should help us to use in most of the domains, correct? No, but COBOL, it is not using for most of the domains. Fortran, formula translation. You remember Einstein, Newton, big scientists we had in 80s, 90s and all, early 90s. They used to use these particular languages in order to derive some formulas. But nowadays, nobody uses. Pascal, gone outdated. Fortran, gone outdated. COBOL, even today it exists in the industry, but only specific to mainframe domains. There, anybody says, sir, I am working in mainframe. Remember, they are working in COBOL language. They are working in which language, sir? COBOL language. First problem. The second problem is very less libraries. So libraries were there, but the libraries were very small, very less libraries. Instead of writing very less, let me write small library or very few libraries. Let me write very few libraries. The libraries that we have in Java, libraries that we have in C, libraries that we have in nowadays Python, your .NET, those libraries are big libraries. But these libraries by COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, these languages contains very few libraries, sir. You didn't have rich libraries in this particular language. Second problem. And the third problem is very less operators are supported. Operator support is very few. Fine, sir. Now in Java and C++, there are so many arithmetic, logical, bitwise, ternary, unary, your shift, your relational. So many types of operators are there, but these particular languages support very less operator support was there. Very few library support was there, and since it was only specific to specific domain, it was not at all a general purpose language. Because of all these problems, these languages all became outdated. These programming languages, what, sir? Almost became outdated. Now most of the companies are not at all using this. Many people don't even know what these languages are. Correct, sir? Now one person understood the problems of these language, studied the problems of these language, then he introduced one more beautiful language to overcome this problem in the year 1970s. In which year, sir? Please tell me. Year 1970s, there is a person by name Dennis Ritchie. Who don't know his name? Correct, sir? There is a person by name, what, sir? Dennis Ritchie. He introduces a language called C language. He introduces a language called what, sir? C language. Fine. Sir, when did C language came into the market? When did C language introduced into the market? In 70s, in 1970s, sir. In 1970s, C language introduced by Dennis Ritchie, majorly to overcome the problems of older languages like COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, and so on. Fine, sir. But this particular C language, beautiful language, even today so many companies are using, so many domains are using, so many softwares are built, operating system is written in C language, the entire Oracle database is written in C language. One of the most powerful language considered in this world is nothing but C language. Most powerful language, correct, sir? But there are so many beautiful things are provided in the C language. Some of the advantages, right? Advantages of what's our C language. What advantages my Dennis Ritchie gave are very simple. First thing, he made this language as a general purpose language. He made this language as what's a general purpose language. And the second thing is he provided very rich set of libraries. That is the reason we write hash include stdio.h, conio.h, math.h, string.h, ctype.h, process.h. Remember, when you write a C program, if you recall your college C program, you will write so many header files. Sir, what is that actually? All that is nothing but a libraries. Sir, how many libraries we had in the old languages and how many libraries my C provides is very much huge. Then he provides, fine, sir, huge, rich set of operators. It provides rich set of operators for us. Your binary operator, unary operator, arithmetic operator, relational, logical, bitwise, shift operator, ternary operator. So many different types of operator provided. Fine, sir. These are the some advantages. And the next beautiful about point about C is very good in performance. Very good in what, sir? Performance. Very good in what's that? Performance. Very good in performance. Why, sir? Why performance is very good, sir? Because you have a powerful pointer concept here. Because of, sir, because of what, sir? Pointer concept. Very good in performance. Even today in the world, no language beats C++ language when it comes to performance. When it comes to performance, nobody can beat the C++ language. It provides, beautiful performance, and direct communication will be there between the hardware and the program. Rich set of libraries, general purpose language. You can use it in automobile domain, supply chain domain, embedded domain. You name the domain, your C language useful. So many big beautiful things my C language provides us. But C language also had some problem. C language also had some disadvantages. C language also had some cons. Correct, sir? What is that, sir? Why C language problem was there? What is the disadvantages, problems? What is the problem of C language? C had many problems, sir. Many problems. But there are two problems of C that created lot of other, that made the other person to introduce the Java language. Majorly the two problems of C. You know what is the first major problem of C, sir? Difficult. C is what's a little difficult compared to Java. Compared to Java, C is difficult, sir. Why? I will tell you the reason also why. Yes, sir, why? Because pointer. It is a well-known fact for all of us, like, in college days, your C will stop in pointer only, sir. You people will never study beyond pointers. Correct, no? Correct, right? But the reality, sir. Reality is your actual C will start from pointers. Your actual C will start from where, sir? Your actual C will start from pointers, but you have never studied pointer. Why it's very difficult? It is one general answer that I get from every student. And do you know pointers? No, no, sir. Except pointer, you can ask me whatever you want. But pointers, pucho mat. You don't ask me anything in pointers because I'm not pointers. You know, sir, C without a pointer is, it's a waste. C without pointer doesn't exist. C exists in the market even today because of pointer. But what to do? It is little difficult. It is little difficult. Correct, sir? And we all have experienced it. We all have faced it. So fine. And the second big drawback of C language is it is platform dependent. What is this, sir? It is platform dependent. And next is it is not secure. It is not a secure programming language, sir. Next, it is not object-oriented programming language. It is not OOP. So then what is C? Sir? It is only POP. POP means what? Yes, sir? POP means what? Anybody? Don't tell me POP. What is POP, sir? POP means procedure-oriented programming language. POP means what, sir? Procedure-oriented programming language. It is not object-oriented programming language, sir. Fine. And the next problem is it is single thread. It is a single thread, sir. You don't have multi-threads in C. It is a single thread. Correct, sir? And it is not secured. It is not object-oriented. It is platform-dependent. It is difficult. All these are the some problems of what, sir? C language. From 1970s till for about 20-25 years, which means till 1990s. Till how many years, sir? Please tell me, till how many years, sir? Till 1990s, the entire market was ruled by C language. In between, you got one more language called C++. From 1970 till where, sir? 1995. Sir, 70 to 95, how many years? 20-25 years. The whole market was ruled by what, sir? C, and in between you got one more language called C++. C++ used. Fine. But in 1995, what happened? In 1995, let me write here, so. In 1995, a new programming language introduced. That programming language we are studying, that is called Java. What is the new programming language introduced in 1995, sir? Java. So who introduced this? This is introduced by James Gosling. Who introduced this, sir? A person by name James Gosling. He is the person who introduced Java language in the year 1995. So now tell me, why did he introduce, sir? He didn't have any better work? He didn't have better work, sir? Why did he introduce? What is the reason? There should be some reason, no? Java came into the picture once all the drawbacks of C is studied. Fine, sir? You know what James Gosling did is, he understood the problems of Java. Problems of C++. Problems of C++, C language he understood. What are the problems, sir? Major 2 to 3 problem. Difficult because of pointer. Second thing, platform dependent. Third thing, it is not secured. It is not secured. It is difficult because of pointer, and it is platform dependent. He took all these problems, then he introduced a new language called Java. And you know what is the beautiful thing about Java, sir? He solved all the problems in Java. That is what we call beauty of all these things are advantages of Java. I am not going to write the advantage, sir. It is simple. Just look at this, sir. Now it is simple. Sir, why do you call simple, sir, Java? If it is simple, then why are you coming to the class? You can study on your own, right? Sir, simple compared to C++. Why? I'll tell you the reason also. No pointer concept. And you know that C is easy without pointer, right? C is easy without pointer, right? C, you find it difficult when pointer introduced. Correct, no? Now, here, entire pointer itself is removed in Java. There is no question of pointers in Java. Forget about the pointers concept in Java, sir. You don't have pointer concept itself in Java. Correct, sir? And the second thing is it is platform dependent. What is that, sir? It is platform dependent. Correct? Correct? No. It is what, sir? Platform independent. It is platform what, sir? Independent. Platform dependent is your C++, sir. Correct, no? But my Java is what, sir? Platform independent. Then it is secured. It is what? Secured. Then it is multi-threading. It is object-oriented programming language. It is a robust programming language. All these are some beautiful advantages of what, sir? Java. All these are nothing but advantages of what, sir? Java. Advantages. Advantages of Java, sir. And because of the simple in nature, because of platform independent, because of the secured, because of object oriented feature, because of robust programming language, from 1995 till this year, that is till 2020, till which year, sir? 2020, which means how many years? How many years, sir? 1995 to 2020, 25 years again. This entire 25 years, entire market is occupied by what, sir? Market is occupied by what, sir? Java. Fine, sir. You name the project, you name the domain, Java is there. You name automobile, you name banking, you name insurance, you name supply, name retail, telecom, you name healthcare, you name embedded. Where see Java is not there, tell me, sir. Java can be used. Java is being used in all the domains in the industry. You name a project, your Java is there, because that is the powerful features Java product provides. That is the simplistic language what Java is. That is the platform independent language what Java is. That is the secure language what Java is. Most preferred language in the project development today in the industry is Java. Most preferred language, sir. Sir, why Java is preferred so widely, sir? Because of the good features that you have in Java, because of the powerful features of Java, because of the simplicity of Java. Every project of the industry, 90% of the industry project runs in Java only. 90% of the industry projects are. There are, somewhere around 5-6% which runs on .NET. There are about 5-6 projects which run Python, C++, and all those things. Fine. 80 to 90% of the industry projects takes place in Java. Just imagine how good features my Java has, how beautiful features my Java provides, and how simple it is for the user to learn. It is for the programmer to learn and try to develop his own or her own client server architecture software. This is the power of Java. This is why Java became so powerful. Fine, sir? Because of the beautiful features. From 1995 till today, 2020, and in future also, Java is unbeatable. Some of you people might be thinking, sir, now Python is coming. No, sir. Python will kill Java now. Python will eat Java now. Python will destroy Java now. Nothing will happen, sir. Nothing will happen to Java. Python is entirely different. Java is entirely different. The scope where Python is used is different, and the scope where Java is used is different. Python visibility, for all the freshers, listen carefully, sir. Python visibility is not as good as Java's visibility. Python is only for certain areas like your machine learning, like your data science, like your artificial intelligence. That's all. Even today, the most preferred language for web application development is Java. The most preferred language. And Python has one problem compared to Python has one problem. So what is that? Performance issues are there in Python. Java also has a performance issue, but more than Java, Python has a performance issue because of the huge library Python has. So more and more libraries you get, the performance of the language to be what's down. Is it so? So this is the history about the programming language. Why Java? Why softwares are required? Why programming languages are required? What was the programming language earlier we had? Why C came into the market? Why Java came into the market? What is the advantage of C? What are the drawbacks of C++? C++. Then why Java introduced by James Gosling? What is the main reason behind him? behind this. And next thing is, what are the some features of Java? Sir, which high level programming language we are studying? So among this Pascal, Fortran, your C, C++, Java, which language that we are studying here? We are studying Java. We are studying, sir, Java. I just gave you an history why Java is came, when Java is introduced, who introduced Java, what is the reason for James Gosling to introduce Java. I just give some brief history about it, but you should know this, sir. So when you are studying Java, you should know before Java what was there, why Java is introduced, what are the good features of Java, what are the characteristics of Java, and what is the drawback of Java. Clear, sir? Did you guys understood, guys? Everyone? Yes.
Sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
No questions,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, sir. Super. Super. Now, let us write some characteristics of Java, or features of Java, sir. We are going to discuss all these features in this entire Java class. Fine, sir? Java features. Java features. Sir, what features are there, sir, in Java? What features are there? Let me write features one by one, sir. Out there, let me write some more. Fine. Now, sir, don't ask me, sir, what is this, because we have to discuss all these things. Okay. First one. It is simple. Why, sir? Because no pointers. Because what, sir? No pointer. Second one, it is platform independent. It is what, sir? Platform independent. Fine. What is this? We have to discuss, sir. We will discuss this. Next, it is a secured programming language. It is secured programming language. Next, it is robust programming language. Fine, sir. Next, it is multi-threaded programming language. Fine, sir. Next, it is multi-threading is done. It is multi-threaded. Next, it is widely used to develop enterprise application. It is widely used to develop enterprise application projects. Fine, sir. So all these things are what, sir? Some very important I forgot. It is object-oriented programming language. What is it, sir? It is object programming language, etc., etc. All these things are what, sir? Good things about Java. Beautiful features are, you can call it as advantages of Java. Fine, sir. Now, can you tell me C language advantage, sir? Can you tell me C language advantage, sir? You will tell many disadvantages, sir. Let me write disadvantage because you are good in telling disadvantages. Correct, sir? C disadvantage. Who will tell C disadvantage, sir? Who will tell C disadvantage? Many are there, sir. I just wrote there. It is yes, difficult. Correct, no?
Not.
Correct. Next, it is
Yes, sir.
it is PO. It is procedure oriented programming language, but not OOP, object oriented. Correct. It is
Platform dependent.
Platform dependent. Correct, sir. Next, it is
not
single
secure.
thread.
Not secure.
Very good. What, sir? It is It is not secured. Sir, why C is not secured? Because of pointer. Sir, performance is good. Disadvantage, no? Yeah. Now, can you tell me one advantages of Seesaw? One advantage, because so many disadvantages are there. The one is one advantage. You tell me, sir. At least one. Performance.
Portable and sir.
What is that, sir? Performance. So when it comes to performance, unbeatable language is the C language. Performance I'm talking about. Why? Sir, why performance is good? Because of pointer only. Sir, why is not secured? Because of pointer. Fine, sir. What happens here? Very important thing you have to understand. What happens here, sir? Sir, it is my C program. It is my C program. You can call it as a C program, sir. This is my C program. And sir, at the end, who will execute the program, sir? Who will execute the program? At the end, the program will be executed by our small chip, is what we call it as processor. Correct, no? Correct, no? All you have studied in your academic, right? Processor. Processor is the one which is responsible for executing everything. Sir, my program is getting executed. Who is executing? Processor. Sir, I am able to play the song. Who is playing the song? Processor. I am able to watch the movie. Who is watching? Who is helping you to watch the movie? Processor. Sir, I am able to play the game. Who is helping you to play? Sir. Ultimately, at the bottom, it is the processor who is responsible for doing everything. Correct, sir? Now, processor is a hardware. Correct? Processor is a hardware, sir. Yes, sir. RAM memory is a hardware. Hard disk is a hardware. Correct, sir? But my program is a software. Correct or not, sir? My program is what, sir? Software. Processor is a hardware. Now, beautiful thing about C++. The beauty of C++ is this C++ language. This C++ language communicates to the hardware directly. This C++ language communicates to the hardware directly. Means what? Means what? Because between the processor and the application, you don't anybody intermediate person here, sir. Directly my C++ will communicate to. Sir, how can the communication happen directly, sir? Because hardware, no memory. How the communication will happen? Because of pointer. Because of what, sir? Pointer. You know the definition at least for pointer. It is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Address. Sir, address will be there for memory. Memory is nothing but hardware. Memory is a hardware, right? Yes. My C++ program communicates to the hardware directly. It may be processor, it may be memory. It communicates to the hardwares directly. There is no intermediate between the hardware and the C++ program. That is the reason communication will be faster. That is the reason performance will be good. Why performance is good, sir? Because you have pointer concept. Through pointer concept, you can talk to the hardwares directly. And since you are talking to the hardwares directly, obviously your performance is very good. But in Java, this will not happen. In Java, it is different. Java, it is different. What happens in Java, sir? So this is my Java program. This is my Java program. And here is the processor. Here is the processor. Correct, sir? Sir, even the Java program, at the end, who will execute? Processor only. At the end, who will execute even Java programs, sir? Processor only. But there is a difference. Java program cannot talk to the processor directly. Remember this. Java program cannot talk to the processor directly. No, it cannot talk to the processor. Why it cannot talk to the processor, sir? Because no pointer, no. Sir, wherever there is a pointer, direct communication happens. Wherever there is no pointer, then direct communication will not happen. Then, sir, how the Java program will execute? Java program will execute through one mediator. Java program will be executed by processor, not directly. It is through one mediator. Through this mediator only, my Java program will be executed. This mediator what we called as, yes sir, what do you call this mediator, sir? There is
Java Virtual Machine.
JVM.
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 What is that mediator, sir? This mediator is nothing but JVM. Through the JVM, my Java program will be executed by processor, but not directly. Through the JVM, it will go first from here, it will go here, and then from here, it will reach the processor. Then here, like this, and from here, executes. It will shut down. Can you see the communication now? Now all of you can able to have, you can see the difference. No, if you eat straight away directly, taka, 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 if you eat, your eating will be fast. And when you take the hand all around your neck and if you eat, then obviously your speed will be less. Correct? No. So because of this JVM, Java performance is low. Java's performance is less compared to C++ performance as far as the performance is concerned. But because you are interacting through the mediator, because you are interacting through the JVM, then obviously it will be secured. Did you understand, sir, why C is not secured? Sir, why Java is secured? Understood why C is good in performance? Did you understand why Java is not good in performance? Sir, Java, only one drawback is there. Only one problem is there in Java. Disadvantage of Java, I will write it here, sir. Disadvantage of Java, sir. What is the disadvantage of Java? Tell me, sir. Please tell me what is the disadvantage of Java? Performance. Performance. Performance is less compared to C++. What is it, sir? Performance is less compared to C++. This is your interview question, sir. If anybody asks, can you tell me some Java features? Everybody will tell good things about Java. Now, if they ask, can you tell me one problem of Java? Can you tell me one disadvantages of Java, sir? People will tell, no, Java doesn't have disadvantage only advantage in Java. You don't have any disadvantage in Java. Is it so? Is it so, sir? No, you have some problem in Java also. You have one drawback in Java. What is that drawback, sir? What is that drawback, sir? Performance. And did you understand why performance is not good in Java compared to C++? Will you be able to answer? Will you be able to answer? Because C++ program communicates to the hardware directly, whereas Java program doesn't communicate to the hardware directly. It communicates through the JVM. It communicates via the JVM. Is it clear? Yes. Since the communication happens directly in C++, performance will be good. Since communication happens through the mediator in Java, obviously performance will be down. Is it clear? Did you guys understood? Everyone? Yes, sir?
Sir.
No doubts, right? No doubts, right, sir? Wonderful. Wonderful, sir. Super. Now, let me write some difference between C and Java, sir. Sir, this is my C language and this is Java language. Sir, can you guys tell me what is the difference between C and Java language? Let me write it, sir. Now, you understood what Java does. You understood what C does. Now, tell me the differences. 1 second. Let's draw it also. Sir, before even starting Java, I am giving you the differences of Java, okay? Because all these things you people should know. See, if you're learning any language, you should know why are you learning. You should have an idea about why are you learning that language. Oh my, come. Oh. Yeah. So here, tell me, sir, first difference. What is the first difference, sir?
C has a
C is
good
a
performance.
platform dependent language.
It is difficult. It is difficult. I think you already know that. Not right the reason. Next, it is easy. Second one.
Platform dependent.
Very good. Very good, product. It is platform
Dependent language.
it is platform dependent. Exactly ulta here. Correct? It is
Yes. Platform independent.
Independent. What is this? We will discuss. We have not understood what is it. We are just telling the words. Detailedly, we have to understand the concept. Next, it is
It is a POP, procedure oriented.
1 second. It's not secure. I hope you know the reason of this also. It is secure. You will be able to justify so? Will you be able to justify this? Next, it is procedure
Sir,
oriented.
it communicate directly to processor.
Yes. Next here, it is OOP. It is object oriented programming language. Next,
The performance is
Single
better.
thread.
yeah, it is.
It is single threaded.
Yes, it is single thread. Java. It supports multi-thread. Support what, sir? Multi-thread. Next.
So it is a
Performance,
portable language,
yes.
sir.
In case of
Performance is good compared to Java. Correct, no? Performance is good compared to Java. What about Java, sir?
Bad, sir.
Don't tell.
Compared
Performance
to Java.
is
To
not
performance
good.
to C.
Not good compared to C. Are you guys understanding, sir? Will you be able to tell the difference between C and Java? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
can you what is the difference between C++ and Java, sir? Yes, sir. Let me write what is the difference between or one thing. I'll take the same thing. Instead of writing C, let me write C++. Yes, sir. Now tell me, what is the difference between C++ and Java? C++ and Java difference, except one remaining, all remains same. This one, no, it is object oriented. It is procedure oriented. Remember, sir, C+ is also object oriented. Remember that. What is it, sir? C++ also what, sir? Object oriented. Java is object, but rest all remains the same. Rest all remains same. That point. That's all. You can understand, sir. It is difficult because you have pointers. It is easy. This is platform dependent. It is independent. It is not secured. It is secured. It is single thread. It is multi-thread. Performance is good compared to Java. Performance is not good compared to C++. But only one thing is common. What is that one thing, sir? What is that one thing, sir? C++ and Java both are object-oriented programming language.
Object-oriented programming language.
Object-oriented, yes. Both are object-oriented.
OOP.
Clear, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any other doubts here, sir? Guys? No
Sir.
doubt?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, hello, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, I came just now. Actually, my mail was not working, it seems.
Oh, what's
So
your
can I
name, ma?
get the
What's your name?
Dhanush, sir? Dhanush.
Dhanush. Oh, just now you joined,
Yes.
huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, you will get the videos. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
You will get videos. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Super. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Now, I'll give you this thing. Sir, what are the softwares that you people should have? Fine, sir, I'll write softwares required. Softwares required. Fine. Sir, you require 3 softwares here. First one, JDK 1.8. Sir, if you have JDK 10, 1.0, I mean 10 or JDK 11, 12, 13, 14, anything above 1.8 is fine. Sir, I have JDK 1.7, please remove that. I have JDK 1.6, please remove that. Okay, sir? Okay, JDK 1.8 is required. And the second thing required is you need Edit Plus. What is it, sir? You need Edit Plus. And the third thing required is you need Eclipse. This is what we call IDE. What is this Eclipse called, sir? This Eclipse is called IDE. You need JDK 1.8, you need Edit Plus, you need Eclipse. Sir, all these 3 softwares I will give you. I have kept in OneDrive. I am going to share the drive link in the WhatsApp group. Fine, sir. If anybody is not in the WhatsApp group, please tell Sumera to add it into the WhatsApp group. Then once I share the softwares link with in your WhatsApp group, please download all these 3 software. Please download all these 3 software. Monday we will install the software, sir. JDK we will install. Sir, installing JDK, you don't have any rocket science. Just click, double click, next. At the end, you will get successfully installed. But after installing the JDK, you need to set the path. How to set the path, I will tell you, sir. I will show you in the Monday's class. But these 3 softwares are required for me, and these 3 softwares I will provide you. I will share you the link from where you can download these 3 softwares. Once you download, installation we will do it on Monday. Clear, guys? No questions, right? That's all?
No, sir. Yeah, sir.
Perfect, sir. Super. Maybe by tomorrow I will upload yesterday's video and today's video. Both of these 2 videos I will upload, and I will share the link also with you people. You can go through all these 2 videos before you come for the Monday's class. Clear? Before you come for the Monday's class, go through these videos and comes out. Perfectly fine?
Okay,
No
sir.
doubts?
No, sir.
All right, sir.
So tomorrow we don't have class?
No. Tomorrow you don't have class. Sunday you don't have class. Your next class will be on Monday.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay,
Perfect.
sir.
Super, guys. Enjoy your weekends. Take
Yes,
care. Bye-bye. See you on Monday.
Sir, happy Independence Day, sir.